If you love making pie, you will want this KitchenAid pastry beater. This is specifically designed to cut the butter into the flour beautifully so you get that flaky, buttery crust that you want. Now here it is. It basically cuts the butter with these pieces as it's spinning through, giving you that really great kind of rougher mix that you want. And this doesn't just have to be for pie dough. You can use this for biscuits, scones. You can even use it to make applesauce or smash up beans. These mixers are all so versatile. You can use them however you want. Let me attach it to my mixer real quick here so you can see it attached. Has the same attachment as all of them. You just slide it right on, twist, and it's good to go. It's perfect for my 5-quart KitchenAid. It also works in a 4.5-quart KitchenAid. So once I lock it down, I can turn it on. You can see it's just cutting away in there if there was anything there to cut. And it is also very easy to clean because it comes with the scraper. This scraper not only will work in cleaning out your bowl, but also scraping out each of these lines. So you get everything out of here and have all your dough or whatever you're making off of the beater and right back in the bowl. I am thrilled to have this pastry beater, and I know you will be as well.